today I'm going to be making a Mississippi pot roast. It's perfect for those busy days. Okay, so my ingredients are, of course, my crock pot, pepperoncinis, 2 packages of ranch seasoning, 2 packages of au juice. I like my Land O'Lakes butter, and the roast. Okay, first, so we're gonna add our roast into the crock pot. We're gonna turn our crock pot on high. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add my 2 packages of my ranch seasoning. I'm just gonna throw them in here like this all over. Just sprinkle it really good all over your roast. So next we're gonna add our 2 packages of au juice. Same as the ranch, you're just gonna sprinkle it all over your roast really good. It gives it a good salty flavor. Okay, now we're gonna add our butter just on top like a dollop. Oh, okay, so I can't get it to open. I learned from my cousin actually. Okay, so we're gonna add 5 pepperoncinis. We're just gonna add a little bit of juice to give it some spicy flavor. So now, this has to slow cook for 7 hours. I'm gonna go run some errands. So I took my daughter to get her pageant dress and we got some teas. And now I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna check on my roast. Okay, so now that my roast is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 bags of instant rice. I like to do the rice and put the juice all over it. Some people do mashed potatoes, but I like the flavor that the juice gives the rice. Okay, and here it is with my rice. Delicious.